Create another Facebook profile on one Facebook accounts. How to add another Facebook accounts same email. How to add multiple accounts in Facebook. Unlimited Facebook accounts create. How to use two different Facebook accounts in one Facebook apps. How to create multiple accounts in Facebook. Then you can follow the step. You can open on Facebook. Tap on horizontal lines. Click on Create New Profile. Tap on Get Started. Tap on Profile Name and type name selected. Tap on Continue. Selected profile and cover photos. Tap on Continue. Tap on Create Profile. Then complete Add Facebook another account on SME Facebook profile. Then you can see the Add account. Then you can back to previous account. Then tap on horizontal lines. Tap on previous profile. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.